Em anh không có vô được á, chỉ only. There's a peacock. Where? There, and there. Oh, and there.
Look at this silly girl. She is so excited about rainbow steamed rice cake. You like unicorn food?
Yeah.
But you're not a unicorn. Why you want to eat unicorn food? Stir it up. Set it aside. In the meantime, I make my water reservoir. Kind of tie a string around a piece of fabric and make this thing wet. I'm waiting for this thing to boil in there, and I can tie it, so I'm just kind of like clip it on. But the idea is to trap all the steam that's coming up in here while you pour the batter in here and you close it. I got my stick ready. My pot is getting hot. See all the steam? It's getting hot. Woo. And my flour. Solution mix is ready, and the plate is ready, and a little oil. Ready to go. I'm making some bánh ướt for that little girl right there.
Hi guys.
Hi guys. So this time I'm gonna take about this much. Go around the middle and go shoo shoo shoo. So I like it a little bit thick. Close it up. Make sure all the steam stays inside the lid, so the steam will trap in there. Stick. Wow. That is what I want right there. So Alex decided to help out with her rainbow food.
Mommy, do it. Mommy, do it.
Alright, need a little bit more right here. Okay, so you roll it up like this. Kind of crank it up like this. And then you put it right on top.
Okay, a little bit of oil, guys. I'm painting. Hey guys, so I am painting this thing, and you can mess with it with this oil, which is in this jar. And you might need help with your mom. So today is Mother's Day, and we are making rainbow unicorn banh ướt, if you know it's Banh Cuon, then give us a thumbs up. I want to eat all the rainbow colors. I'm gonna taste the blue first.
You don't want it?
Tastes like the regular one.
This tastes like a regular one?
Yeah. Now I'm gonna taste green.
So which one's your favorite one? Pink and blue? Your favorite one is pink and blue?
I mean all the rainbow colors.
All the rainbow colors?
Yeah.
You need a plate?
Oh yeah. Okay.
Here, only get one at a time. Hey, Eddie. Okay. Here's your near.
Thank you.
You want it, Mom? Let
No,
people know.